everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my 90% haul at CVS. Now, you never know when CVS is going to surprise you with stuff, and I walked in the store. There's this lady who was like trying to rush to get into the store with me. She's just like all like, I gotta get my ECBs, I gotta get my, extra care bucks from the red machine. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait for her to be done with the extra care bucks. I'm sorry if I'm like, the lighting is different in here. So I'm like, okay, while I'm waiting for her, I'm just gonna go to the clearance section and see if there's anything marked. So they did have some stuff marked and some stuff didn't. And while I was scanning stuff, she's like, are those on sale? And I'm like, I think so. So I scanned it. So the first item I grabbed was this Fortnite like pillow guy. Now this was originally $19.99, and they had this marked down to $1.99, I think is what it is when it's 90% off. I thought this is kind of cool. Benjamin's like into Fortnite lately. He doesn't even know what the heck it is. He's never played Fortnite. But I thought I could either give this to him as like a pillow or a stuffed animal to play with, or since now he's in school, he's definitely going to be invited to birthday parties, and I bet you there's kids that are into Fortnite. So I thought this would be a cool little gift to give to the kids for just to give to somebody. And then they had these blankets, and I really like these blankets. I love the soft and cuddly blankets. Now these are not as big. This is a 40-inch by 50-inch blanket, but this was $14.99, and I got this for, sorry you guys, the lighting's like really bad in here. I got this for $1.49, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I definitely got that, and then there's two of them. She's like, just take what you want. So I ended up getting two of those for that. Like I said, I can always give the blankets to give to somebody who needs them or just something, but I thought I cannot pass up the 90% off, for Fortnite. So he's just gonna be one happy kid. I got charcoal. This was marked down to 79 cents. I think this was $7.99. 79 cents. I had said, husband, you want me to take everything? He's like, yeah, just get two of these. So I ended up getting two of those. Two of those are in the back seat. And then they only had 4 of these, and I grabbed these. These were 69 cents, so these were originally $6.99, and we grill out a lot, so I ended up getting those for that price. That is a great deal. Now they had this Kool-Aid edible slime. They wanted 20 bucks for this. Like, who would spend $20 for this? Regular price is ridiculous. So I ended up getting this for $1.99. It's this cherry and blue raspberry slime. It's edible. Yeah, I don't know about it, but I'm like, maybe I can just work with Ben. So it's 100 calories. So yeah, I got 2 of them just so we can work on something in the winter when we're bored or he's driving me nuts. And then I got some other things here and there. So I got some tablet holders. These were originally $9.99. I got them for 99 cents. I thought that was a pretty good deal. They actually seem like they're an okay quality. So I got these. I actually need a tablet holder for my iPad that I have, or my tablet that I have. And I thought my mom might want one because it's red. She loves red. So I got those. They had these like slap bracelets, which these are rulers. But one thing I'm actually going to use these for is wrapping Christmas presents, the Christmas wrapping paper. A lot of people use that, or if you just want to use a regular slap bracelet. I thought these were kind of cool. These were originally, I don't even know what the price was, but I got them for 29 cents. So these were probably $2.99, and my store had 3 of them, so I took them because they're awesome, awesome. I ended up getting these 5-star folders. There was only 3 of them. I think these were 39 cents a piece, I think, for these, you guys. I have inserts, and I'll put all the photos in them. But I got these 5-star folders, and I actually love these because they're plastic, they're durable, they're great. Now, those coupons did expire, so we don't have those, but I thought those are perfect for, whenever we need them for school. They also had this like 5-star pencil pouch, which I thought was kind of cool. I thought Ben could definitely use this in the future. I think this was 59 cents for this. So I thought that's kind of cool. And you can put it right in your little notebook because it's got the little tabs in it. So I thought for 59 cents, that is awesome. And then I ended up getting these little personal notebooks. It says, be your authentic self. I think these were a quarter. Or maybe a little bit cheaper than that. I can't remember, but I will insert, I have the receipt right in front of my hand, you guys. Yeah, those were 39 cents. The bracelets were actually 19 cents. The personal, these were 19 cents. 19 cents for these. I think that was a pretty good deal. The brisket, yeah, the tablet case, yeah. So that was all I got. I got 22 items, you guys, and I paid $17.98 for 22 items. I think that was a pretty good deal. My best score that I got was definitely the charcoal, because we grill like crazy. We grill pretty much all winter long if we have to, so I was excited to score those items. So definitely check your store and see if they got them, you guys. Every store is different. Scan the items, because the Fortnite stuff was unmarked. It wasn't even marked at all. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.